afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is finished in Pomelo Yellow Metallic, equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a dual clutch automatic gearbox. I'll walk you around and show you anything that stands out to me. First up, just next to the front emblem, notice a little spot there on the bumper. Up here at the driver front wheel, notice a little bit of curb rash up there on the top of the lip, as well as a little more rash back here at the driver rear wheel. A little more curb rash up there on the lip, a few other spots here and there. Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, stainless steel dual exhaust, backup camera on the rear bumper, a few little small spots there. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, some more curb rash along the lip of the wheel. A little more there. And finally up here at the passenger front, this one's in the best shape, just a little bit of curb rash, small spot right there. And we'll take you to the inside where we have a Titan Black Perforated Vienna Leather seating surfaces. All-weather floor mats, nice red contrast stitching. Got 3-stage heated back seats on the outboard seats. Power heated mirrors. Power driver seat with lumbar support and driver memory. A nice big digital display there. So we'll have Apple CarPlay, navigation. You've also got 3-stage heated and ventilated front seats. Nice sleek automatic gearbox. Gear selector there. Kind of reminds me of the new 992 Porsches. Multifunction steering wheel. And a fully digital instrument cluster. This does have navigation and heads-up display. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call, 614-793-1050. More photos of this car on our website, so please check those out at autoassets.com.